Alright, hello fellow paintball enthusiasts, this is Kevin, otherwise known as Iceman number 31. Today we have some clips of our team practice session that happened on May 5th, 2024. This field is not regulation size, so we're essentially focusing on teamwork and getting used to how each other play. I just played my first tournament with the team at Paintball Barn in Indiana on April 28th, 2024. We did alright, all things considered. Circumstances caused us to lose a few points that should have gone our way. It caused us to finish lower than we probably should have, but that's alright. Keeping all things in perspective, we were pretty thrilled at the experience. I was recently recruited on a team at the beginning of April 2024. My background includes 15 years of woodsball, that being an intense first few years and then scaling to paintballing a handful amount of times per year. And then recently getting back into the swing of things with playing pretty often now, almost every weekend. My speedball experience, well, let's say it's been little to non-existent. I've probably played more times or games on speedball or tournament style maps this last month than all years prior combined. So, keep in tune to watch us grow as a team, or at the very least, me as a player. I'm new to YouTube as well, and learning as much as I can in my free time, so leave a comment in the comment section down below for video topics or ideas you wish to see. I just got a GoPro back on Black Friday last year, and I have plans to use it almost every time I play. Team Savvy is looking to grow the sport, help build community, and most of all, have a great time doing so. All things said, Savvy to the front, let's go! Alright, so we know he's at Dorito 1. Shoot both sides, just in case if he pops up. And got him. So started off, see two people run to the right side. Just trying to make sure I can pin him down. Get a better angle. And got him. Though I thought he was rolling or crawling. I felt so bad. These balls kind of hurt. I believe I actually got him on that shot. And I know there's one guy left at Dorito 1. But it looks like a game.
Sorry, man, you got tactical roll out. I thought you were
So now I know there's two guys left side. Shoot the corner, make sure to put him down so I can go up forward. And I see a guy, Arcan. So I know I can't necessarily move up. Hoping for him to poke on that. And not sure who got me, but oh well.
In all the soft spots. Tournament paint was like blink. Oh shit.
nice work, Kev.
Whew. I thought the one that got shot.
The part about that is we ate from the same side of the field.
Yeah. That was nice work.
Did you get the guy when I called him out, or did I end up getting it?
I think you got him, because I thought the guy that got out was the farther one, right. So I started moving up, and then he peeped up.
I heard it happen, I heard the snap.
And I was like, oh, it's all good. Sometimes I just gotta know to take a quarter second,
right.
Survey, because the thing is, if someone was at a temple,
yeah,
And so I peeked out, and he was just laying in me, so I was like, okay, I'll go left.
We won from the back that time, which was kind of cool because they pushed the 50 heavy. Your cold Doritos?
Yep.
D1 home! D1 and home! What's up?
So here I thought he was still at Temple, then moved left, got him actually in the head on this shot. No idea who else is on the left.
D1! D1!
Obviously I just see Dorito 1. Decided to put him down and run up on him. It works for our favor.
Now I need breakfast. Huh? Yeah.
This is so much harder than that.
I just need to breathe. And I didn't get breakfast, so my stomach's starting to turn.
Oh, yeah. Did you go clean anybody up over there?
2.
Hell yeah. I just saw you, because I was back here, I just saw you moving over there. I was like, get him, get him, get him.
Get him, boy, get him. Soldier boy, get him.
Yeah.
I don't know where the other pod went. There it is. Whew. In the heat of the battle, I lost pods and all.
We're doing 3 on 5?
I think it's 4 on 5.
4 on 5?
I don't know if both of us rookies should be on the same team, but
What do you mean, both of you guys on the same team? I mean, we're brand new 5 on 4.
Yeah, we have the extra man, so shoot your lanes and I have barely any. No, don't want to reload just yet. Whew.
So at this part, I'm like, no one's peeking. They're gonna try to make a run, get closer. Took a jump, got 3 to the chest. Turns out only one of them broke.
So I got hit 3 times, and I'm like, okay, start walking out. I'm like, well, 2 of them bounced, and I'm like, nope, 3rd one did.
man, I got hit like 5 times in the leg.
Hey!
There's a love tap.
Damn, in the neck again.
What'd you say?
You in the neck. Oh, it's
Oh
in the
no,
neck.
someone hit me here, yeah. Dude, I can't believe it. You were D-side, right? Like,
Yeah, I
the
jumped
D-side.
over
Dude,
some
I
shit.
barely got you. I was like, I think I got him.
I'm like, bounce, bounce. Oh, the elbow got me. Oh, hopper's not on. Oh. That's why you test it. No one's left side!
Figure take this time, shoot some lanes, move up, try to get some angles.
Snakes on me!
So here I'm trying to shoot his hopper. The ball's just kept barely missing.
Son of a on me!
in paintball, if you're not switching which sides you're popping out, you're not going to have the opportunity to peek out without a good chance of being hit. So generally you just want to peek out at least twice, or at least make sure you can hold down the lane and move up. Like that. Now he thinks I'm farther, and I almost get him. Or I did, actually, I forgot. And that felt bad. He was already out. Bonus balled him, essentially. Think the game's done.
You like guns?
And teammate reminded me that even in a tournament, you gotta touch the buzzer. That's what matters. Whether they're all eliminated or not.
Turkey.
What? I saw somebody here. Okay. So when you see me moving up, your next move is to get to here, but at the same time, but hang on, I'm on that team. Oh, who's on my side? Sorry. Who's on my side? Yeah. We're over there.
Blue.
We're over there. You got somebody out in Dorito, right?
Yeah, Dorito and then a wrapped in the middle.
You guys did a great job. You guys know how to do
Switching.
Yeah, they're brand new. Just asking about how do you switch arms while shooting. Told them you just gotta get comfortable with it. Just make it feel like muscle memory.
Dorito 1 on stuck right side! 750! 750! $750 was the last one I know.